Well, I think the whole debate, of course, is how do we improve the industrial capability of America and its international competitiveness. And as you think about it in the consumer packaged goods industry, you have to ask, is rolled sheet metal for aluminum cans a strategic asset? And you can punch a pencil through sheet metal for cans, it's hardly a strategic asset. So the beer industry would ask that the sheet metal that you use in their cans be exempted from this issue because it's not an industrial capability or a national security issue.
What do you see in terms of the costs going up in your business? How do they math out?
Well, the incremental cost per can is rounded off to about a penny a can, a little less than that actually. And it will impact different brewers differently. You know, the big part of the American beer business are budget beers, and those budget beers, they're called budget because they sell on price. That'll get passed through. You'll break through some key price points, $4.99, $5.99 a six-pack, that will hurt those beers. And then you've got the much more expensive beers where this price issue will not hit them as hard. But, you know, big brewers will take $40, $50 million hits if it's size of MillerCoors, and much bigger for InBev, Anheuser-Busch. The craft brewers don't hedge their costs, so you know, you aggregate those costs inside a year, they don't have an impact on the business.
How much more aluminum do you think you would be buying domestically versus what's imported?
Well, really, in aluminum cans for beer, most of it is recycled. The vast majority of aluminum in the United States for consumer goods in beer is recycled, thankfully. It's a great strength of that product. And so less than 10% of the aluminum used in cans is actually the pure aluminum, which is the strategic asset that you just discussed.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.